Happy birthday,
हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया। आई होप यू हैव अ ग्रेट ईयर अहेड और ये कोरोना वोरोना सब बकवासबाजी सब चली जाए। अच्छा, और आप लोग जल्दी से यहाँ पे आ जाओ।
हाँ जी, इंशाल्लाह वेरी वेरी सून एंड वील सेलिब्रेट वहाँ यहाँ पे आके अच्छे से, या फिर इंडिया में ऑल एट वन गो एज वी से, एंड होपफुली इट विल बी वेरी वेरी सून। चीयर्स।
Hello, Andy. Happy birthday. Have a happy 60th.
Oh yeah, it's the 60th. Yeah.
The big 60th. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hey, happy birthday. Happy 60th. Cheers.
Happy 60th birthday, auntie. Cheers. Bye. See you soon.
Hello, happy birthday, my dear sweet Meera. Long life, Meera. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy long life to Mira. Happy 60th birthday, the great day in the life. But you don't look like that. You must
You
look
are
much
my
younger.
sweet, you are my sweet baby, not baby, my sis, my sis.
It is really great. I think it will be a great day, your 60th birthday. Wow! Enjoy yourself to the
Oh,
fullest.
hooray!
All the best. God
Balle,
bless
balle,
you.
balle, 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 balle.
Many, many, many more years to come. God bless you. Enjoy yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye.
हाय बुआ, विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। कितने ईयर्स के हो गए आप? वैसे आप जितने भी ईयर्स के हो तो हमेशा यंग ही लगोगे, हमारी सिस्टर ही लगोगे। एनीवेज विश यू अ वेरी 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 हैप्पी बर्थडे। पता नहीं कब मिलेंगे, बट आई विश जल्दी 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 मिले। लव यू।
हाय बुआ, विश यू वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी 60th बर्थडे जो आप लगते नहीं हो। आई विश यू स्टे हैप्पी फॉर एवर एंड एवर, एंड आई लव यू एंड आई मिस यू।
Hello Dee, happy birthday, happy 60th birthday. Stay happy, healthy, young, beautiful always. Love you.
Happy birthday दीदी। बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। Stay blessed.
आपको हर खुशी मिले।
हर खुशी मिले और हर वक्त आपका हाथ हमारे सब पे रहे।
Dear Meera, happy 60th birthday. God bless you. Healthy and long life. I'm proud of you. I love you.
God bless you, Mami ji.
God bless you, Meera.
Enjoy your day. Have fun.
60th birthday, परमात्मा खूब खुशियाँ दे आपको, बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं। लव यू, God bless you, happy birthday.
Hi Meera Didi, happy birthday. Wish you very happy birthday.
Hi मेरी मीरा बहन, wish you a many many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you and you have a very beautiful life. And I pray to Bhagwan Jagannath to bless all of us to have a very healthy life and keep stay safe और जल्दी मिलिए ऐसी लोग।
Happy
God
birthday,
bless you.
happy birthday.
Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday again.
Wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you.
जन्मदिन की आपको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। हर राह आसान हो, हर राह पे खुशियां हजार हो, हर दिन खूबसूरत हो, ऐसा ही पूरा जीवन हो। जन्मदिन की आपको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं।
Hello Didi, hi. Wish you a very happy birthday Didi. May God bless you and very warm congratulations to you on your 60th fabulous birthday. And on this very day, I pray to God to fulfill all your dreams. May you live long, may you live a healthy life, and as a person, you are generous, you are great. And sometimes I feel so many good qualities in you, like so righteous, meticulous, methodical, responsible, loving and caring. So whatever values I could find in this world, I always perceive those values in you. You are really a wonderful person and I always admire you. You have been my great model. And I remember the days right from our school days, and all the, whatever happiness we had, whatever sometimes some sorrows, the griefs are there. So we all have been sharing those things. And what I dreamed that had we all been together on your this 60th fabulous birthday, our whole of the family, the members, those who are present, and of course those who are sitting in the heaven and celebrating, cutting the cake, as well singing, dancing and having lots of fun. So really paying tribute to our family members, those who are not present with us. So as well, I hope that you are going to celebrate this day with lots of fun and frolic, and you should party hard. And I pray to God that God should always bless you with wonderful life. And I hope that you should see the young ones also, they'll give the small little toys, they give a lots of happiness at this point of time. And before I end with this short video, I would like to sing first of all a birthday song for you and few more lines. So happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Didi, happy birthday to you. May God bless you, may God bless you. Happy birthday dearest Didi, happy birthday to you. Lots of hugs and loads of warm kisses to you on your this birthday. I really love you. You are my model, and I always thank God for giving me such a beautiful personality in this life, So, सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुझे मुबारक खुशियाँ आत्म ज्ञान की, तुझको है अनंत में जाकर मिल जाना, तू है सुंदर बूंद इस संसार की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुझे मुबारक खुशियाँ आत्म ज्ञान की। Happy birthday to you, ho ho, happy birthday to you, ha ha, happy birthday to Didi, happy birthday to you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल है मेरी ये आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you, oh happy birthday to you, ha ha, happy birthday dearest Didi, happy birthday to you. Stay blessed, enjoy your day, love you always. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Mami ji.
Happy birthday, Mami ji. God bless you.
Stay blessed, Mami ji. May God bless you. Stay healthy, stay safe. Love you loads. Bye.
Hi, Bua. Wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with good health and happiness. Have a great day. Enjoy. Happy birthday to God bless you. Bye.
Bye.
Hi Mira, happy birthday. May God bless you with every happiness in life. मीरा, मेरे पास तो ज़्यादा वर्ड्स होते नहीं हैं, तुझे पता है मैं ज़्यादा बातें भी नहीं करती हूँ पर सिर्फ एक ही बात बोलूँगी कि हमारी दोस्ती इसी तरह से बनी रहे। ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। अब तू ये बोलेगी कि ज़बरदस्ती गले पड़ गई है, हैं? नहीं, ये मत बोलना। I always remember you with the fond memories only, like whatever time we spent, and maybe going forward also probably you will be moving to Australia, but I will remain here. But whenever I'll come to Australia, I think our bond is such that there's no need of saying that we will not meet each other. बस आपके बर्थडे पे मैं यही विश करना चाहूँगी कि भगवान आपको सारी खुशियाँ दे, आपकी हेल्थ अच्छी रहे और आप हमेशा मुस्कुराते रहो। और एक और बात बोलूँगी वो ये कि ज़्यादा गोलगप्पे मत खाया कर, अब सठियाने की उम्र आ गई है हमारी, तो इसलिए थोड़ा हेल्थ का भी ध्यान। आई नो तू बहुत ध्यान रखती है, more than me, but still I would say that please take care of your health and remain happy in life. Okay? Yeah, God bless you.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday. I wish for you that you will stay happy, healthy, beautiful and sweet as you are.
Happy birthday, stay safe and enjoy your life. I know we are not there to celebrate your birthday in this lockdown, but I'm sure you're having a good time with your family and we'll meet soon and we'll have a blast. Okay?
And I love you. Cherry also love you.
We love you
and
happy birthday once again. Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday once again.
Hello, many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday to you.
अब देखो जी, ये आपका 60th बर्थडे आ गया है, तो अब आप हमारे सीनियर सिटीजन ग्रुप के अंदर शामिल हो गए हो। सो वी वेलकम यू इन द सीनियर सिटीजन ग्रुप।
पार्टी वार्टी का क्या है, अभी तो लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, बच गए बड़ी पार्टी से, नहीं तो बड़ी पार्टी लेनी थी। एनीवे, अभी भी हम पार्टी लेंगे, चाहे छोटी सी लें, पर चलेगी तो सही हमारी जरूर।
और हमारे बड़े सारे पेंडिंग जो हमने घूमने के प्रोग्राम बनाए थे, पता नहीं इंडिया में अब्रॉड, क्योंकि हमारा पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस बहुत बढ़िया रहा है, तो आगे भी हम इसके बाद प्रोग्राम्स बनाएंगे और एज फार एज पॉसिबल ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जगहों को कवर करेंगे।
Enjoy your day, have fun.
And we look forward to see you as fast as possible. Thank you and happy birthday to you again.
Bye.
Hi Meera, my darling, my birthday girl. Wishing you the most amazing birthday today and many happy returns of the day. क्या बोली आकांक्षा? 16 बोलते बोलते 60 बोला होगा। You're the eternally 60, the liveliest, most amazing, gorgeous woman that I know. Okay? Every time we've had a party, every time we've had a get together, it has been the 4th September girls who've actually rocked it all the while. So stay young, stay lively, stay happening, stay just the way you are, and happy birthday once again, darling. Have a great year ahead. And Akanksha, you've done a wonderful job by getting all of us together for this message. All of us just love the idea. Love you, Meera.
Hi Meera, wish you a very happy birthday. In fact, a very happy 18th birthday. Yeah, 18th birthday. 42 years of experience, you're just 18 and you'll still have that. Have a nice year ahead. Once again, happy birthday.
Wishing you a very happy birthday. All our wishes are with you. तुम्हारे 60th बर्थडे पे मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि अभी तो 60 साल पूरे किए हैं, 40 अभी बाकी है, दिन का सफ़र तय किया है, शाम अभी बाकी है। once again, happy birthday. Love you.
Hey Meera, wish you very happy milestone birthday. Life milestones are not supposed to be counted but supposed to be celebrated. I'm so happy that we are sharing the same birthday. You are so stylish, so graceful, and most of all, very fun-loving. Keep your spirit alive. We are going to celebrate many more birthdays together. Cheers.